Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. This is not just a flight, this is operations management in action. Behind every smooth takeoff is a careful planning, schedules aligned, crews coordinated, and systems working in perfect timing. In the airline industry, efficiency is not a choice, it is a responsibility. From the ground crew to the cockpit, operations management ensures the right people, the right processes, and the right decisions every single time. But above all, safety comes first. Aircraft inspections, emergency procedures, and health protocols are not optional. They are the standards. Health and safety practices protect passengers, employees, and communities. They reduce risk, prevent accidents, and ensure trust in every journey. The SDG that covers this are the SDG 3, promoting good health and well-being, SDG 9, strengthening reliable infrastructure, and lastly, the SDG 8, supporting decent work in aviation. Because when operations are managed well, flights are safe, systems are strong, and people arrive not just on time, but also be protected. That's all. Thank you and mabuhay. Enjoy the flight.